Well, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front heated and cooled seats settings. So while the vehicle's turned on, which this is, you see your buttons here. This is for cooled seat, heated seats, and then cooled and heated seats for your passenger seat. So this is your max cool for your AC seat, and then this is notch lower, lowest, and then off, and then same options for your heated. So max, middle, lowest, and off. And the easiest way to tell if these are actually working or not is once you turn them on, just wait for a few minutes, see if your butt starts getting warm or cold. If these aren't lighting up at all, or some other issue, first I would check fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse could make these inoperable. Otherwise, possibly behind this plastic here, you might need to check, make sure there's no loose wires or connections. And especially if it's just like one seat in particular not working right, you might want to check under the seat, make sure there's no loose connections or cables that need reconnected or tightened. And then more of a worst case, maybe something shorted out, like a bunch of spills happened on the seat that shorted out something in the mechanism, so you might need to replace a part. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.